Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I am here to invite you guys to participate in the collaboration that I'm having with Creative Chaos 1739, TracyPlans, and myself for February. The theme is love, so all you have to do is make something with that theme. It doesn't have to be a card, it could be art, it could be a card, it could be a project, it could be a 3D project, it could be a knitting project, it doesn't matter, just something with the theme of love. And we are all going to be posting those on Saturday, Saturday, February 24th, and you can post anytime from that day until the end of February. The only thing you need to do is put in your title the same title that we have in our videos, which is going to be Crafty Collab with TT.Scraps, Creative Chaos 1739, TracyPlans. And those are all separated with a little hash mark. It's all of our YouTube channels is what it is. And then if you could also maybe let one of us know that you have participated, that way we can check it out. It's not necessary that you let us know, but what we're going to be doing is searching with that title to find yours and leave you a comment. Now if you don't get a comment under yours, now you might not get a comment from all three of us, but if you don't get a comment from at least one of us, please let me know, because that means that we hadn't seen your video, and I really want to make sure that we see everybody's video. So please let me know if that happens. But if you label it the way that, if you title yours the same title that we have ours titled, it shouldn't be any problem at all. And if I were to give you a suggestion, I would just copy and paste my title from the video either in the description box below of this video or my video that I post again on February 24th, and I will have mine up in the morning so that it will be ready for you guys. And I hope that you guys can participate, and we will be doing this every month with a different theme. So we'll come in with an introduction to let you know what day to post and what the theme is, but the title's going to be the same for every month of the year, and our plan is to do it all year. So I will hopefully see you again and be able to check out your video. If you don't have a video, if you want to hashtag it, that's fine too. If you just want to hashtag it Crafty Collab, I think is what we hashtagged it. I'll have to look and let you guys know for that for sure. But if you tag us in the video or in your Instagram, we will be able to see it. And if you hashtag Crafty Collab, I think that would be great. So thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.